If Instagram is stuck on loading screen or not displaying content correctly, it could be due to connectivity issue, app glitches, or problems with your device. And here's a clear guide to troubleshoot or resolve the problem. First of all, you have to check the internet connection. Try toggling between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If you're using Wi-Fi, restart your router to refresh the connection, and then turn on the airplane mode for a moment and then turn it off to reset your device network. An outdated app may also cause loading problems, so check for updates in the App Store or Play Store on your device, and once you find the update button, tap on it to update it to its latest version. You can also try restarting your device. Temporary glitches can affect the app performance, so turn off your phone, wait for a minute, and then restart it. Open Instagram again to check if it works. And if you're using VPN or proxy, it may disrupt Instagram. So turn off any VPN or proxy settings and try loading Instagram again. Sometimes the issue is on the Instagram site. Visit the down detector or similar site to see if others are reporting server problems, and if the servers are down, wait for Instagram to fix the issue. So low storage can also prevent Instagram from functioning properly, so delete unused apps, photos, files, and other databases that is no longer in your use, and also remove the app cache on your device and empty the recycle bin. Now check for app permissions. Ensure that Instagram has the necessary permission to operate. Tap and hold the application, tap on the eye icon in the top. Now go to permissions and then enable permissions for photos, camera, microphone, and background app refresh. After that, go to settings again and then scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. If the problem still continues, uninstall Instagram and restart your device and then reinstall the application from the App Store. You can also try logging your Instagram account on a different phone or web browser to see if the issue is specific to your device. So by following the simple steps, you should be able to resolve Instagram loading issues problem and enjoy the seamless use of the app. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.